Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Norad here with another Writer's Workshop video. Alright, we're going to be working on informational writings. So informational writings are writings that tell us true facts, true things about a topic. Yesterday we made a list of informational writings that we could do on the topic of people we know a lot about. So today, we're going to make a list of ideas on our thought bubble of places we know a lot about. So I want you to think about places that you know a lot about. So let's think of some things that we could put in our thought bubble. I'll do an example. So I know a lot about the beach because I love the beach. So I could write about beaches. All right, what are some other places we know a lot about? I know a little bit about the zoo, so I could write about the zoo. I know a little bit about the aquarium, so I could write about an aquarium. I know a little bit about a country named Italy because I have been there to visit. So I know a little bit about that country, so I could write about that. What other places have I been to that I know a lot about? Let me think. Well, I know a lot about Georgia, our state, because I've lived here my whole life. I know a lot about Georgia. I know a lot about our whole country, the USA, or the United States of America, because it's the country I've lived in and I learned about it in school. What are some other places that I know about? Let me think. I know a little bit about a city named Boston that's in the United States because my dad grew up there and we have visited Boston a few times and I learned about Boston in school. So I could write about that. Let me think of some other places I know about. Let's see. What are some places I like? Well, I know a lot about the clothing store Ross because I've been there many times. So I could write about Ross clothing stores. I could write about clothing stores. So I know about, we'll just say mall. Let's say the mall. I definitely know about shopping in the mall. I've been to lots of malls. Let me see if I can think of another place I could tell you about. Oh, I know one. I could tell you a lot about Chick-fil-A because I like to eat at Chick-fil-A. And I can also tell you a lot about Mexican restaurants because I like Mexican food. So we'll write Mexican restaurants. Oh, I know a lot about Japanese restaurants too because that's one of my other favorites. So I could put that on here. I know another country. I know a lot about Ireland. That's another country because my family was from Ireland and I learned about Ireland in school and I used Ireland as a project. So I can put Ireland on there as well. All right, boys and girls, these are just some of the places I know about. Yours may not look the same as mine. Okay, you probably don't know as much about Italy or Ireland like I do because you're still learning and growing, right? But you may know a lot about the zoo. You may know a lot about the skating rink, the bowling alley, the movie theater. So think of places you like to visit, places you like to go, the water park, Six Flags. Miss Nora doesn't know a lot about that because I don't like roller coasters, so I definitely can't tell you a whole lot about Six Flags. All right, so think about places you know a lot about. It could be places you like to visit, places you like to eat at, shop at, places you like to go, or places you want to go to. Maybe it's okay if you've never been there, but think about places you know a lot about. And you're going to try to write 3 places today on your thought bubble of 3 places that you know a lot about, or know at least a little bit about, that you could write about. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you tomorrow for another thought bubble for our informational writing. Bye.